Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome back. We're out here on Lake Wateree again. Was out here yesterday catfishing. Caught a few. I had the crappie rods sit down. I hadn't put them up yet, so I figured, man, I'm gonna pull these things out, put them back on the boat, try give it one more last try, see if we can do something today. So hopefully we'll catch some fish. I don't know. It's been a couple weeks since I even had these out, so we're gonna give it a whirl though. See if we can catch something. Y'all stay with me. Lord willing, we're gonna put something in this boat. I hope. Any day underwater, even if I catch something else, it's a good day. I ain't stuck at work or at the house, so that's a good thing. So y'all hang with me. I'm gonna get these rods out. We're gonna see if we can put some fish in the boat. All right, got all the rods out. Everything good to go. Hopefully we can pick up a fish or two. Talking about the wind's supposed to get up a little bit here in a little while. We'll see how bad that is. How bad that's gonna work. Who knows? But I say it's been a couple weeks, man. It's been like probably about three, 4 weeks since I've been out here doing this. We're doing a couple other things. Catfishing, bass fishing, trying some different stuff, everything else. Just mixing up a little bit. But had these sitting out there beside the building, you know, only for overhang. I keep a lot of my rods out when I'm using. And I said, man, he got back yesterday. I said, man, I seen this in there, so I'm just gonna put them on the boat. We're gonna try them out tomorrow. And so we catch fish, I might keep them out. If not, I might just think I'm just gonna wrap them up, put them up for the season. Switch over to catfishing and striper fishing. So we'll see. I just got a bite on that one back there. Something hit the heck out of it. I seen that corner of my eye, but all right, well, let's see what happens. Y'all hang with me. There we go, folks. There we go. First one. What we got? Oh, look at that big old crappie right there, folks. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Damn, he won't to cooperate with me. Ow, mother effer. Calm down. Stick me with your damn spin. Damn. Boom. Crappie number one. Boom, look at that. Pretty crappie, too. I'll take it all day. We will take it all day. I am surprised. And yes, he stuck me. He got me when I tried to pick him up. Damn thing. Yes, sir. That's back in 14 foot of water. Make a little turn here. Yes, sir. A nice one. Take it right there. That's a good one there. Good start to the morning. I hope that's a good sign. Honestly, I hope that is a good sign. Boop. All right. And stuck me good. Ooh, that's on that 1/16 ounce head. 1/16 ounce head with a blue and silver body with a chartreuse tail. Curly tail. And got me bleeding all over the place. Dang, what the heck? Good shot. All right. All right, well, we done broke the ice this morning. Drew first blood. Damn. Think we covered all the bases. Now let's see if we can get a couple more. Damn. Oh. There we go, folks. Oh. Number two. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Number two right there, folks. Hey, saddle. perch. Pretty perch. That's 2. Oh, shoot. Might not be putting these up after all. We're going to work that. I could take that all day. Yes, sir. I like it. Yes, sir. Gonna make the coolest thing today, it look like. I better be quiet, man. I better jinx myself. That'll be quiet. Right, the tip up there. There we go. We hit that one a ton. I like it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Shoot. Look at him. That's what got that planer out. This one got bowed over. Ooh, what the heck is that? That's a bass. That's a good bass, too. Get the net for this. It looks like a bass to me. Oh yeah, that's a good largemouth. Shoot. So we can get him up here. That's a pretty fast there. Nope, get him out the net. We got the net here. Booze. Oh, shoot. Oh, heck yeah, we'll take that all day long, people. Hey. There we go. Nice bass. Oh, shoot. I just had one hit that planer, and I just got stuck the planer out, and I come back and look, and this thing back on the rod was bowed over. Good God. But there goes, man. That's number 3. We'll put him in the cooler. Yes, sir. That was crazy. I seen the jump out there. I was like, what the heck is that? And I was like, oh, heck, that's a bass. Heck yeah. We'll take him. All right. That's 3. We're going to go out and straight on down in the deeper water, but then the wind, that wind out there got up and blown real fast. I'm like, man, forget that. I turn back in here. I'd rather come back in here to fight that wind a little bit. Make some rounds in here, then I might venture out there and fight that if I have to. There we go, folks, right here. Ooh, that feels like a good one. I don't know what it is. That feels like a good one. Feel like an old catfish, what it feel like. Yeah, got in this other line, I can see that already. Yeah, that's the old catfish right there. Yep, that's exactly what that is. That's the old catfish. Whoa. That's the old catfish. Even got in that other line. Let me get this boat straight here. Ooh, there we go. They're hitting that other line now. Ooh, we might be able to get him here. Turn this camera a little bit. Yep, that's the old kitty cat. Coming up. Oh, kitty cat. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Get you undone here. Alright. Hold on. Get this on, get that out. Got this other line here. Get it out. Phew. What a mess. The heck are you all hanging up at? Goodness gracious, dude. Ow, God damn it. Trying to get you out. Activate, fool. There, come out. Yeah, come out. Alright. Alright, there we go. Oh, Lord, a mess. He wrapped open that line. Catfish number 1. Put him in the cooler for Mama. She'd be happy. Man, I had him by that lip, boy. He ripped me up. Chill out. Might get him in the cooler. Get in there. God forbid. Drawing blood today. That finger got me on that one. Dad, going. Man. I know how to fight for my life today. Good God. Man. Paying my dues. I don't know what the hell going on. Good God. Little aggravating fool. Alright. Well, that's number what? 4? 5? I don't know. I can't remember. Number 5, I think it was. We got 2 crappie, perch, bass. Yeah, number 5. Everybody talks about they got, you know, the different slings catch all the species of fish. We gonna go. we gonna go for the ultimate slam here in Wateree today. We done got crappie, perch, bass, catfish. What we need now? Brim. What else we got in here we can catch? Might get your white bass. I don't know. We'll see. But we might go for the Wateree slam. Let's see. Let me get this thing back out here. We're working on the trifecta, people. I see this thing dipping. I didn't know what it was. I'm like, this thing's dipping over here. Let me go pull this thing in. Gotta be something on it. Gotta be something on it. There's the brim. There's the brim. We're working on that trifecta, people. I'm telling you. Good God Almighty. Let me put a little butt back. Give me a good catfish bait. That'd be about it. I see that thing just, it was kept out. I'm like, let me check that out. That planer got one? Let me see. That planer acting weird. I'm gonna say. Yep, something on that planer, I believe. Let's turn around here. See what we got. Yep, something on this planer. Ooh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, something definitely on this one. Oh, no, what the heck? That was a striper. What the heck that was? It threw the bait, kicked it out, threw the bait to me. God bless it. He come on, kicked the bait right out. God dang it. Oh, shoot. We got another line here. Oh, shoot, man. He kicked the bait out to me, everything. That was wow. I was like, what the heck? All right, come on. Yeah, get this bait out of here. That thing, where that was, man, he kicked. Look back, I come back. That fish was big. Look how big old striper. What do we got, man? We got all kinds of baits here. Oh, I got this. I'm tangled up in my. What the heck is that going on here? That one out. I got that out of that. Goodness gracious, folks. What's we got here? Oh, get tangled that way. Don't want that. Man. Put the rod down here. Might help out a little bit. Don't do that. Tangled on more ways than one now. Come on. The easiest way to fix this, cut the damn thing off. Good God. There we go. Retie this back on. Oh, there we go. Look back and this thing go bowed over, boy. I was like, hold on, what we got? Coming through the boat, whatever it is. Uh-oh. I'm gonna need a net for this one, probably. Oh. Come on, boat. Shoot. Of course, I was steering the boat when it hit. Another catfish. Staying straight down, I guarantee. Another catfish. Staying straight down. I swear. That's what it feels like. Feels like a cat. Hey, digging deep. Yeah, he digging down. Oh, turn back. Here he comes. I was like, oh no. This is on one of those fin spins, man. The last couple been on them fin spin jigs that I got. Crappie caught a couple crappie on them, but didn't really do much with them, but man, they sure turn it on right now. Let's see what we got. He's coming up. Oh, maybe. Whoa. I got one on planer going. Oh, nice kitty. Oh, no. Don't calm down. I got something on that planer out there going. I'm gonna get him up here. Yeah, something on the planer. Oh, I got him. Oh, I got him. Let me get this planer. Oh, get him in here. Let me go get the planer now. Something under hitting the planer. Ooh, turn the camera. Planer back here playing out. Hit whatever it is still on there. Ooh, we're fighting good too. Oh, whoa. We might be going to the back of the boat. Might be easier. Because he's already back there. I'll be dumping this catfish out. Yep, be dumping this catfish out in a minute. I think that's what this is, another catfish. Really do. Sit there for a second. Let's let you do what you're going to do. Get this one straight. Let's let him work. All right. Needle moves. Goodness gracious, folks. Where you at? Right there. Goodness gracious. Good God. Damn. Lord. Jeez, my Christmas. Chill out. That's another catfish on Taranaki. He's just swimming along with the boat. Hey, 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 hey. There you go. Good God. Hey, my God, they feisty. Catfish number 2, folks. We'll put them in the cooler. I swear to goodness, man. Hey, 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 hey. You chill out. This other one that went completely under the boat. He's just down there hanging out. That's got to be another catfish. Oh, I think he just came off. Yep, broke the line. Oh, we got something right here. Oh. Wait, did you get off of that line and get on this one? You gotta be kidding. That one just broke off. I got one on this one. Like, damn. That's what that one got broke the line, broke a jig off of it. And this is a catfish. I'll get this out of the way. Goodness gracious, folks. Yep, another kitty. Come here. Ah, Lord have mercy. There it is, folks. Yep. There we go. Ow, 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 dude. Chill. Damn. Woo, got my damn finger. What did I do with the plot up here? Man, that thing had another hook in it, man. It got drove the hook in my finger. Jeez, man, these things are feisty. Good God. Man. That's what he did. Here's my other jig. But you settled down. I got it off in the net. It's off in the net. Get calm down. I can't get that out. Lord have mercy, dude, would you chill out? Yeah, I got the other jig back. When he broke, jeez, when he broke off, he broke off and went and got home into the other jig. Pooping out. Would you stop? Number 3. All right, that's enough catfish for Mom. All right, that's enough kitty cats for Mama. Ain't putting no more catfish in there. Y'all can stop biting anytime you want. They got me bleeding again. Oh my God. Hey, my Christmas, folks, I'm telling you what. Got me tore all up. God, got pooping all over my boat. Got it all over my seat, on me. Damn jackass, I swear. God, I swear that's great. Oh, damn. Get out. I'll get this man out of the way. Goodness gracious, have mercy, folks. I'm telling you what. What I'm an asher. Here's that one. And here's this jig. Yep, there's the other end of that. There's my jig that he broke off. He broke off, went right. I mean, well, he must have turned. He must have turned right into that other line, and that other line got him. Ah, shoot, boy. Oh my God, people. Get this slime off of it. All right, that's that one. Get that one out here. Goodness gracious, people, I'm telling you what. Oh, goodness God, I'm telling you what, people, I don't even know. Man. Was not expecting all this action today, but I'll take every bit of it. Goodness gracious, I'll take every bit of it. Was not expecting this much action today. That is for sure. Oh, gosh. All right. Get this one straight. Got the rod. Ain't got everything. Rod, line, everything. Goddamn slimed up. Good God. Y'all want to talk about slime? That's slime. Goodness gracious. Retie that probably. Goodness grief, man. Oh, it's got a bite on that. That thing just got hit. Shoot. Alright. Goodness gracious, that's clean up. My gosh. Bite this thing down here. So I don't know about y'all, but catfish poop stink. All right. That's done. All right, let's re-rig this one up so we can get back out of some action. My goodness. No more catfish, all right? I've had enough catfish for the day. No more of those. I'm good with catfish. Oh, there we go. Oh, we got something in the middle, Rob. What the heck did we got? It coming through the boat running, whatever it is. Digging down. Woo! Don't throw that motor. Another kitty cat. God bless me. The catfish are biting. See, the catfish are biting, that's for sure. I swear to God, people. I don't want no kitty cats no more. They can tear up stuff and everything. Another one. My goodness. Pretty one, pretty one, pretty one. Woo! I can't say we ain't had no action today. My God. A lot more catfish than yesterday, that's for sure. Ah, damn. Oh, goodness gracious. When it hit and the drag went out, I was like, oh, maybe a striper. But nope. What we got here? Make sure we got no slime on it. De-slime it, make sure she look good. All right. Ooh, right in the mix. All right. All right. Can we get something else other than a catfish? You know, I'll take a striper. I think what I need left from my Wateree slam trifecta thing. I think all I need is a striper, don't I? Like in general, just general fish, not all the oddball ones that are in here, but the general fish. I think I just need a striper. But yeah, got an event coming. Not this Saturday, but next Saturday, the 8th. With some Wounded Warriors. We put on the, well, y'all seen me one I did with the USSA kids event. Got one again next Saturday, the 8th, with some disabled veterans and stuff. And go out catfishing. We might bring the crappie rods. This might be what we're doing, folks, because this is some action here. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna do a little pre-fishing next week. Find out what's going on. Do a little pre-fishing, but we might be bringing the crappie rods, folks. I'm telling you, the extended forecast weather looks good, but that's subject to change. We all know that, but the forecast stay like it is. We might be bringing these things out here. This is what we might be doing, cause that's some fun here. Catching these things on these little flimsy rods, boy. That's battle. But stay tuned. We'll see. But we're gonna keep pushing and pushing. It's only 8:30. I got plenty of fish in there. I like to catch a couple more crappie and some more perch. To add to that, I got daggone more catfish and everything. You know, make mama happy. Keep the catfish. You know, Lord mercy. That way I'm able to go fishing, not in the doghouse. But we're gonna keep pushing through. Make this little loop again come around. So far, I'm just staying this back here in the pocket here in this creek. That's where they think that's everything all the action seems to be right now. Could be something out there, but I mean, there's wind out there, so it ain't bad in here. So hang with me. We'll see what else we can put in this daggone boat. It's a mystery today. Ooh, there we go, folks. We got something. Ooh. If you got this other line. Yep, going underneath the other line. We got one of the other lines too. Oh, look at that, folks. We're gonna get that Wateree trifecta there, I'm telling you. Got the other line mixed up in there. Striper. Think we're gonna try to catch every fish in the lake today. Little striper, he little fella. We're gonna put him right on back. We determined to catch every fish in the lake. I'm telling you. Terrible. Oh, what the hell is that going on? Oh, here we go. Oh. We don't know what this is. So we know what this is, folks. Oh my. Catfish are definitely set up right up in that area. There's like a flat that comes up here. There's a big old hump right here. That's where them catfish are staged up on this hump. I'm telling you that right now. I was like the fourth one uncaught that one spot every time I circle around here. You feel like a pretty good one too. he ain't thinking the little duck off. Yeah, good one though. Oh, nope, he ain't done. Get him up here. Alright, there we go. Come here, my boy. We'll take you. We'll take you. Oh, shoot. Yes, sir. Net. I'll grab this one by hand. God bless him. I just got all hung in that net here. What the hell going on? That's the worst net I've had for hanging up stuff. Get that net out of there. Make it hung in everything. This net gets hung in everything. There it goes. My God. There we go. But you settle down. Good God. Man, hook does not want to come out. There we go. Catfish number, whatever. I don't even know. I lost count how many damn catfish went in the caught. But boom. There they are again. Woo! So, folks, if you want to catch catfish on Lake Wateree, don't go catfishing. Go crappie fishing. Go long line trolling. And you'll catch a mess, though. Good grief. All right. And they prefer the fin spin jigs. These little fin spin jigs. They tearing the hell out of these things up. Goodness gracious. Lord. I like catching fish I can put in the cooler. I mean, dang. I already got 3 big old, perfect size catfish. I don't want no more catfish. My God, that's enough. 2 crappie, nice perch and a bass. I get some more crappie and perch. There goes the planer. There goes the planer, folks. There we go. There we go. What we got? Another catfish, who knows? Oh, it's coming to the boat. I don't know what it is. Oh, what is that? I'm telling y'all folks, when I say we're gonna complete the Wateree slam. I'm telling y'all folks, white bass. I am determined today to catch every species of fish in this damn lake. White bass. There he is. Look at that thing. Pretty one too. My goodness. Yeah, you going in the cooler, buddy. Ah, shoot. Hey, settle down, settle down. I am determined to catch everything in this lake. My God. Been a morning. Been a morning. Wind's still blowing, but look like it's chilling just a little bit, which is good. Keep on carrying on then. Goodness gracious, what the hell's going on here? Oh, we got it all discombobulated. Yes, sir. Woo. Get to look at my finger. This thing's situated here. I'll twist it around. All right, there we go. Get it out. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Well, let's get this line out. See if we can catch something else. I didn't call and not tell you, but we catching everything. I think, oh, what I need, a channel cat now? I caught the white bass. Now I need to give me a channel cat. Oh my goodness. All right, everyone. I'm gonna pack it in. As you can see behind me, the wind has come up. It's got ferocious, but we got white caps in the damn creek. It's terrible. Got the autopilot working overdrive, but I done caught fish. When I had a good morning, I don't need to stand here and fight all of this. I'm going to head to the house and get some few things done, get an early start. So, again, if you like what you see, please help the channel out and subscribe. I think we might have hit the Wateree slam. I don't know. What the one thing we didn't catch was a channel cat. I think that's about it. I don't know. Who knows what else is in this damn lake. But, again, been a good morning. Can't complain. I don't think I'm going to put the crappie rods up. I'm going to keep them out, because that might be what we'll be doing here a couple more times. But this is pretty good. But, again, need bait. Something's laying at your place. Stop in there. Chris will take good care of you. Got any questions about the lake? Chris really knows about the lake. He'll point you in the right direction. And again, until next time, if I don't get blowed off late before I get back to the ramp, I'll see y'all then.